Hello everyone. I am Mrs. Raj Verma. Today I am very happy that first time the ex-RISE teachers are being recognized on this Teachers' Day. The students of RAI have truly made all of their teachers proud by taking the legacy of knowledge that we have passed to them and building upon it by becoming pioneer leaders in their chosen fields globally. True reward of a teacher is seeing her students create a better world. Our students from RAI have reached the highest platforms in armed forces, government services, medicine, engineering, Bollywood, and so on. We now feel we are not superheroes. We are something even more powerful. We are teachers. I say thanks on behalf of all my fellow teachers and colleagues to my dear ex-RISE students who have raised our name through their actions. I pray to God for your great success, my dear students, in your life and to give you strength to pass on legacy to the new generation. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Love you all of you. Thank you.
आते जाते आवारा सड़कों पे कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से कितने अनजान लोग मिल जाते हैं, इनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं। आते जाते आवारा सड़कों पे कभी कभी इत्तेफाक से कितने अनजान लोग मिल जाते हैं, इनमें से कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं, कुछ याद रह जाते हैं।
RAI School is a lighthouse for younger generation to guide and inspire you to rise high in life. No other school can provide so many facilities in the field of sports, cultural activities, and academics for all-round development of the personalities. Once you make full use of this institute, nothing will seem impossible for you to achieve in any field like civil services, defense forces, business world, cultural glories, or any other profession like medicine, engineering, and academics. You are lucky to have many examples before you from your senior batches of boys and girls. And few names to mention like Sanjeev Grover, Major General, Arnish Chawla, IAS, Sanjay Kundu, IPS, Sudhanshu was CEO of many top companies, Smear Gehlot, owner of India Bulls, Amrita Duhan, IPS, and of course Dr. Pratap Chauhan. Only requirement is to be sincere and devoted in your efforts and keep your aim high. Wish you all the very best for your future. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Good morning, my dear students and my worthy colleagues who have joined today on this forum to celebrate Teachers' Day. First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity and considering my words worthy enough to be said on this Teachers' Day. I take immense pride in acknowledging that I was athletics coach of you all from 1977 to 2008, and what a lovely and memorable time I had. And the memories that I have gathered during this period I will cherish throughout my life. All my lovely students have made the RISE teaching as well as sports faculty very, very proud. Let it be in the field of sports, defense services, government sector, banking sector, civil services, or business. Our students are at the pinnacle of their respective fields. Our hard work has paid off well. I am very, very happy and proud of you all. Whenever I come across any one of you, the respect and love you share gives me utmost happiness. On a lighter note, my wife हमेशा मेरे को इस चीज़ का परेशानी में रखती थी कि आप 24 घंटे में से 18 घंटे स्कूल रहते हैं और 6 घंटे घर आते हैं अपनी धर्मशाला समझ के. ट्रस्ट मी माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई डोंट रिग्रेट इट एट ऑल. आवर गाइडेंस एंड योर हार्ड वर्क हैज़ मेड MNSS Rai really proud. I wish you and your family all the very best in your future endeavors. Thanking you all.
Good evening. This is the evening time. I just want to talk to you through video. First of all, I must thank Sonam Gandhi for such an excellent project, bringing all of us together in the same platform. And that's the only Rai girls can do. Now for last 4 months, there was a lockdown. There was no one with me except my Leona, the cat, the Persian cat, and today my son, my granddaughter Yasha is with me.
Hello.
She is in class 6, Ryan International Bombay, a brilliant girl, and she is very good at maths. And that is why I was not able to send you the video. I'm sorry for that. And rest about the school, I think I saw Mr. C.P. Galore sir video. He has explained it so wonderfully, nobody can. And from my side, best of everything, Sonam Gandhi, I am again thankful to you. And thank you, God bless all of you.
Good morning, my dear Rais. This is Captain V.K. Verma, a retired naval officer. I had the privilege of praying in the temple of the education and sports, that is MNSS Rai, as head priest for almost a period of 11 years, that is from 2003 till 2015. Though I had also served as principal of 2 Sainik schools, that is Kunjpura Karnal and Nagarota Jammu, but they were no match to Rai. Being the chairman of IPSC and member of the governing bodies of CBSE and CISE, I got many opportunities to visit best of the public schools in India and abroad. But I found Rai was cut above the rest. My dear Rais and ex-Rais, on this occasion of Teachers' Day, I compliment each one of you because you have got a lifetime opportunity to study and play in the precincts of Rai, which has not only the best teachers, coaches and infrastructure, but also the best customs and traditions. Dear ex-Rais, remember whatever you are today, it is because of Rai. Please take care of your alma mater now in whatever way you can. In the words of Allama Iqbal, no, it said, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, but I would say सारे स्कूलों से अच्छा राई स्कूल हमारा. Happy Teachers Day. जय हिंद. God bless you.
कैसे करें जुदाई, किसने ये रीत चलाई, साथी चले छोड़ कर साथ, अखियाँ अपनी भर आई. जाओ जगरीत है जाना, कुछ बन कर हमें दिखाना, पाना जग भर में सम्मान, संस्था की होगी बड़ाई. हम कैसे करें जुदाई, किसने ये.
हाँ जी, शाह लुधियाना की. हाले गम दिल आज महफिल में सुना दिया
आहा
खुद भी बहाया अश्क, उनको भी रुला दिया।
शुभ संध्या मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों। आज का अध्यापक दिवस हम दोनों के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। मेरी प्रभु से यही प्रार्थना है कि हम दोनों गुरु व शिष्य सबकी रक्षा करें। हम एक साथ बोले, एक साथ खाना खाएं, हम दोनों परिश्रम पूर्वक अध्ययन करें, हम सब तेजस्वी बने, एक दूसरे से कभी द्वेष ना करें। यही अध्यापक दिवस का संदेश है हम सबको। मेरे प्रिय बच्चों, मुझे जब भी विद्यालय की याद आती है जहाँ मैंने 29 वर्ष व्यतीत किए, आप सब मुझे अनमोल मोतियों की तरह याद आते हो। आप सब सितारे हो, सदैव जगमगाती जिंदगी बिताते रहो और वीरता से अपने अपने क्षेत्र में बहुत ही अनवरत उन्नति करते रहो।
Hello everybody, I am happy to talk to you today. When I meet some of my old students, they tell me about their life. When I flash back, I feel our hard work and your vision and your will to do further and further has helped you to come into better positions. I feel very lucky that our hard work has actually been translated into your good life. I wish you all the best in life and suggest you to work hard and you will surely achieve what you want in life.
Hello everybody, this is Mohini Ghosh. I was at RAI for 27 years and I take this opportunity to thank each one of you who was there during my tenure at RAI. I must accept the best part of my life was the one that I spent with all of you, my colleagues, the principals and directors in all those years. RAI gave me a dream life, and I still, years after leaving RAI, 20 years to be precise, I'm so grateful. I feel so elated every time there is a connect with any one of you. I must mention, no matter where you are, will always be in my heart. And as and when we connect, life goes on. I appreciate all of you. To tell you the truth, it's like family for me. One big, massive family. We share our sorrows, we share our joys. Life goes on. And I find that I feel so proud of so many of you. Those that I know have done so well in life. I must put on record that we have done a wonderful job being together in RAI. Thank you so much. All the best. My love and blessings to you all, each one. Be happy.
Hello, my dearest old colleagues and RAIs. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. It signifies the importance and contribution of teachers in nation building. On this day, we pay our respectful tribute to Honorable S. Radhakrishnan, former President of India, who was not only a great philosopher but also an erudite scholar. Thus, this day is a moment of pride and excitement for all of us. I feel myself lucky and proud to call myself a teacher and an humble mentor of such bright students. I am pretty sure that all of you are doing marvelously well wherever you are with utmost sincerity, dedication, clear conscience and self-discipline. You have brought laurels to MNS Rai, your parents and your families by your contribution in different fields. Here I would like to congratulate you all on this day and thank you for your love, regards and recognition of my work during my tenure at Rai. I always cherish the happy and sweet memories of the time I spent there. You have made this Teachers' Day special to remember forever. Let us together rededicate ourselves and celebrate it with fervor and gaiety. I wish each one of you a very happy and bright future. With love and affection, R.K. Garg.
तुम्हारा इंतजार है, तुम पुकार लो। तुम्हारा इंतजार है, तुम पुकार लो। होठों पे लिए हुए दिल की बात हम जागते रहेंगे और कितनी रात हम मुख्तसर सी बात है, तुमसे प्यार है, तुम्हारा इंतजार है, तुम पुकार लो।
विद्या का ये पावन मंदिर मोतीलाल स्कूल हमारा, हम इसके नन्हे दीपक हैं, ऊर्ध्वभव है इसका नारा। राई की रमणीय धरा पर विद्या का ये नंदन वन है, यही हमारी कुलभूमि है, गुरु शिष्यों का प्रिय बंधन है।
My dear Rice, I wish to thank each one of you for being a part of my life, because every student helped me in becoming a good teacher. May God bless you. Thank you once again.
मैं उम्र बताना नहीं चाहती हूँ। जब भी ये सवाल कोई पूछता है मैं सोच में पड़ जाती हूँ। बात ये नहीं कि मैं उम्र बताना नहीं चाहती हूँ, बात तो ये है कि मैं हर उम्र के पड़ाव को फिर से जीना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए जवाब नहीं दे पाती हूँ। मेरे हिसाब से तो उम्र बस एक संख्या ही है। जब मैं बच्चों के साथ बैठ कार्टून फिल्म देखती हूँ, उन्हीं की हम उम्र हो जाती हूँ, उन्हीं की तरह खुश होती हूँ। तब मैं 7-8 साल की होती हूँ। जब गाने की धुन में पैर थिरकाती हूँ तब मैं अलग किशोरी बन जाती हूँ, और जब बड़ों के पास बैठ गप्पे सुनती हूँ उन्हीं की तरह सोचने लगती हूँ। दरअसल मैं एक साथ हर उम्र को जीना चाहती हूँ। इसमें गलती क्या है? क्या कभी किसी ने सूरज की रोशनी या चांद की चांदनी से उसकी उम्र पूछी? नहीं ना। या फिर कल कल करती बहती नदी की धारा से उम्र पूछी? नहीं ना। फिर मुझसे ही क्यों? बदलते रहना प्रकृति का नियम है। मैं भी अपने आप को समय के साथ बदल रही हूँ, आज के हिसाब से ढलने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। कितने साल की हो गई मैं, ये सोचकर क्या करना। कितनी उम्र और बची है, उसको जी भर जीना चाहती हूँ। एक दिन सभी को यहाँ से विदा लेना है। वो पल किसी के भी जीवन में कभी भी आ सकता है, तो फिर क्यों ना हम हर पल को मुट्ठी में भर के जी लें, हर उम्र को फिर से एक बार जी लें, है ना? धन्यवाद।